Hi everyone, it's Lorraine with Pigments for Hue and welcome to my channel. Welcome to the collaboration of Pourembrance, which is to honor the military. We have an incredible amount of artists that have been premiering over the last few days, so please go check them out. I will try to have the links below to all of them. I do believe there is a total of 48 of us. So this was a well turned out collaboration, and I am so thankful and honored to have been a part of this. In this piece that I am creating, I am honoring the Navy. I used to be a Navy member. I was a corpsman, medical. And so I'm starting this painting out by using a RUSTOLIUM champagne color, and this is to represent the officers. The blues that I'm putting down are going to be representing the colors in their camouflage uniforms, and the purple that I put in the flower that I am making is going to represent the Purple Heart. So I hope you all enjoy the video. I'm going to be quiet and put some music on for you. So enjoy the video. Let me say first, if this is your first time here, please consider sharing, subscribing, and leave me a comment. Let me know what you think.
Her alarm goes off and she gets up to watch the morning news. Doesn't work no more but tells a lot of stories about her youth. Drinks more lately, ain't got pills in many different colors too. Morning light is showing, she moves the chair to look out at her view. But her shop was built right across the street, and it stands where the sunrise used to be. In the afternoons on the couch to read, goes through old pictures and memories. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so brave and bold. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so they got old. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so brave and bold. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so they got old. Our heroes so they got old. Our heroes so they got old. Smiles they fade because her daughter only visits once a month. Since she got a family of her own, it's kept the two apart. Used to have so many visitors, but now the only one is the nurse that helps her move the chair to look out at the sun. But her shop was built right across the street, and it stands where the sunrise used to be. In the afternoons on the couch to read, goes through old pictures and memories. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so brave and bold. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so they got old. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so brave and bold. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so they got old. Don't stay the same, you know. I just hope their stories will still be told. We were riding through the woods with our bikes. We got scared when it got darker at night, 'cause everyone was missing safety lights. So we tried to use a flashlight as a guide. And now I'm standing in an overcrowded train, picturing the times we had as children while the rain is pouring down the windows and the people push their way. Better days, Take me back to my loved ones. We were kids, now we're all grown. Back in my hometown. Take me back to my hometown. Back to my loved ones. Back to my hometown. Back in my hometown.
Okay, I'm going to be having the final results coming up, but stay tuned for Brenda Allender next. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And here are the resin results. I hope you all enjoyed the video. I had a fantastic time. And until next time, you all take care now. Bye-bye.